What's up guys, it's Nitya. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be making this cute friendship day card. So let's get started. First take a A4 size thick paper and fold it in half. Now I'm taking this hoop. If you don't have something like this, then you can also use the rounder. And I'll draw a circle. Now we'll keep this aside and begin with the quilling work. So first I'm taking white and I'm taking one strip. We'll make a loose coil. In the same way, I'll make 5 and join them together. Now with half strip of white, I will put it as a border. In the same way, I have made 6 more flowers. Now, I've taken this pink strip and you have to make some scrolls like this of any size. Here I've already joined a few together and now we'll put the remaining with the help of glue. In the same way, I've made 3 more. Now I've made a few leaves. Now I'll put glue around the circle and stick all of these flowers and leaves. Now I've done the drawing of this girl, I'll quickly color it using my oil pastels and come right back. Now we'll complete the circle by adding a few leaves here. Now I'm going to outline this girl with my black pen. Now I have a butterfly here which I have colored and outlined with my black pen. And now I've written this happy friendship day on this piece of paper and we'll stick this using double-sided tape. If you want to know how I have written this, then you can check the video's link given in the description box. Later I also did the hair with the black sketch pen. That is it for this video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!